The all-new Kia K3 raises the bar in terms of design, comfort and technology for the subcompact segment. Visually, the car looks futuristic and features some eye-catching design details such as the fastback-style silhouette and distinctive daytime running LED light pattern. The advanced and comfortable interior combines innovation with convenient use of space. The K3 comes with 6 airbags, an ABS braking system and ESC electronic stability program as standard. Likewise, depending on the selected trim, a set of ADAS technologies is also available. The Kia K3 will be offered with the renowned 1.6-liter engine, and for the first time a new sporty GT line trim will be available featuring a 2-liter engine. Produced in Mexico, the all-new Kia K3 will be available in select markets starting from the 4th quarter of the year. Details on launch dates and model specifications will be announced by each country in due course. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this car?